Hello dear guest, this is Brian making this video for you to find our place better, and this is either for the chocolate tour or the jungle night tour. So you get to this cross, you're gonna get to this area. This is like the main entrance. There's like a little sign that takes you up to school. Then you drive up this way, get to the little cross here, and then you continue to the left. There's you can see the signs already for the chocolate tour or jungle night tour. You continue here to the left, going up. So you just keep going through this paved road, and this is gonna take you through the forest a little bit. You go down the hill, you continue down the hill for a few more seconds, and then here on the left, if it is dark you're not gonna see this too well, but there's a school here on the left. You continue. After the school there's a little cross. A road goes to the right, left, right. So you keep going straight ahead. Here on the right there is a tennis club. So tennis club, you just continue. And then the road is not paved here anymore. It's gravel. You just keep going. Any vehicle can possibly do this. Road is super flat and dry all year round. So here on the left there is a big bamboo structure. You can see it there in the back. So you keep going down the road. So a couple of botanical gardens here, right and left. You just keep going this way. After a few seconds you get to a little bridge. There's a big tree on the right. Continue. After that big tree, another cross here. Right goes to a place. You want to go left here. There is a little sign that says or shows a chocolate tour. So you continue this way. And then here you will see the sign. So you're here. This is it says right there, meeting point. So you take a left down here. There's a little roof. So this is going to be the meeting point for either the jungle night tour or the chocolate tour. And you bring your car down this way, and then you can park right here on the right. Anywhere is perfect here on the right. And here we are.